हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ प्रवीण। आज हम लोग गिट का बेसिक पेज को आज बेसिकली हम लोग रिएक्ट के बेसिक पेज को गिट पे डिप्लॉय करने वाले हैं। और ये हमारी रिएक्ट गिट पे आईडी है। अपनी अगर आपका गिट पे आईडी नहीं तो अपनी आईडी आप क्रिएट कर लीजिए। सिंपली हम लोग सबसे पहले आपको दिखाना चाहेंगे कि क्या हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है। बेसिकली इन्वायरमेंट सेट किया है, उसके बाद सिंपल ये पेज आपको देख सकते हैं। आप इन्वायरमेंट सेट करने के बाद सिंपल पेज आपको दिखता है। इसको हमको गिट पे डिप्लॉय करना है, पब्लिश करना है। तो उसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले यहाँ पे प्लस साइन पे क्लिक करना है, न्यू रिपोजिटरी क्रिएट करनी है। यहाँ पे आपको रिपोजिटरी का नाम लिखना है एंड देन क्रिएट रिपोजिटरी। ये करने के बाद आपको डिटेल कुछ इस तरह से दिखाई देगी, रिएक्ट ऐप जो मेरी ऐप का नाम है और git.com। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सबसे पहले हमको गिट को इनिशियलाइज करना होगा। आप अपना कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट ओपन कर लीजिए। सो आई जस्ट ओपन अ न्यू cmd for you. So just go inside the folder and now our project name react app is name of okay. I guess we made a mistake, just a sec. Okay, fine. So now we will basically initialize the git first. This is our first step, just to initialize this. Now it's just reinitializing because it's already if you're doing first time you can see this. Now you just need to add the status of, if you want to check the status if it's there or not, you can check the status. So just checking the status, rest is fine. Okay, you need to install the Git pages, which is very important. Without this you cannot do anything, and apart from that you also need to configure the Git. So this is basically name, username, and this is the application name. So it's very simple. In my case my username is this and this is my application name. So I'll just copy this. You can change this and this from this username and your name, project name. So just copy this file in your okay, open your Visual Studio. I guess I just close my Visual Studio. Let this open first. This open package.json. So from here I had already copied this thing, so you just need to copy. Second step is you also need to copy this pre-deploy and deploy, right? So in the script part you need to copy the pre-deploy and deploy, simple, and control S to save. Now come back to the screen, command prompt. Okay, just close this. Now you need to commit this. So commit, git commit. Need to first commit this. That is fine. You need to run this as well. Just run it. Now edit origin. You can add the origin if you want. Before adding origin you need to add the git pages, which is very important. So let's try to do that. Git pages. This command is not available here, so I'll provide this command. Okay, so our branch, our main branch. And then after, what we're gonna do, we'll just try to add it again, the file, if the file is there's any change in it. So I guess it's replaced with .json. That's fine. Now try to add this origin file. Okay, it is already exist. Now what will be your next step? Your next step will be just to add the origin. Just need to add the origin file. So that will be your next step. Okay, just open this, let this to be happen. Okay, it is asking for GitHub connection. So it just authorizing us, just wants to know that we are a valid user. Let this to be happen. So it is authorizing, it is basically authorizing our access. So he just want to check what exactly the access we want to give. We want to give all these access so that we can directly push the code on Git. So it is happening now. So I guess this is happening. Can you see that? This is goes in main branch. So now this is going in main branch. You can see the code is here. Code is completely deployed on our screen. Now what will be your next step? Your next step is just to push it if you want it. If you want to just deploy the code, which we had already done. We have just pushed the origin. The last step is like just to deploy. npm run is just deploy. So I will provide all the steps in the comment, so you can check the comments and you can run accordingly. So deploy. Let this to be complete. It will take a minute. So it is happening soon. We already got our entire project over here, so you can check our project is there, right? So we are just waiting for this to complete. Once it's complete, our work is done. So what we need to do is I'll just revise all those things which we have done. We just need to initialize status and GitHub pages. Then after make the config changes. जैसे कि आपको home page में आपको add करना है pre-deploy और deploy, you have to do that. Git के अंदर आपको commit करना है, right? Add करने के बाद आपको ये इसको ऐड ज़रूर करना है. अगर आप ये स्टेप स्किप कर जाएंगे तो शायद वो काम ना करे. जब ये हो जाने के बाद व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, उसके बाद आपकी जो ओरिजिन लाइन है, प्रॉपर वो लाइन है, उसको डालना है. आपके लिए अलग मिलेगा वो. एंड देन आफ्टर ऐड ओरिजिन, वंस इज डन, यू नीड टू डिप्लॉय द कोड. दैट्स इट. सो इट इज़ बेटर कि आप साइड बाय साइड जैसे जैसे हम कर रहे हैं साथ के साथ उसको कर लें. देखिए दिखा रहा है पब्लिश हो चुका है हमारा. ये रन कर रहा है. पब्लिश कंप्लीटली पब्लिश दिखा चुका है इसने. मैं सेटिंग्स पे जाता हूँ. सेटिंग्स पे क्लिक करता हूँ. सेटिंग्स पे जाने के बाद मैं यहाँ पे देख सकता हूँ मेरा डेडिकेटेड पेज यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा. यू कैन सी दैट. सो वी गॉट दिस पेज, entirely this page. So I guess once we click on this, we see this. Whenever I click on this, I can see this page. So that is it for the today. So in next video, we're gonna create few projects on React.js. Till then, bye, take care, love you, subscribe and like our video. Thank you.